Ank AI is all about releasing the real power of AI for innovations that humans can trust. AI creates enormous values for society, people, businesses, and the economy as a whole. Yet, AI, ungoverned, opens the door for costly ethical risks and legal breaches. So as it is self-scaling, self-learning, we are exposed to discrimination, privacy intrusion, lost autonomy, disinformation, social exclusion, and harm to safety. The root causes in an organization we've categorized in 4. Immature data and AI, misuse or overuse of data and AI, bias of the creator, and data bias. In order to accelerate responsible and ethical AI across your organizations, you need explainability, you need transparency, you need accountability, and a governance structure surrounding that. Why this is extra important at the moment is because EU has proposed a regulation that will come into force 2024. What it consists of is categorizing different forms of AI and regulating it with a risk assessment framework. So in short, the upcoming regulation on AI will set your organization up for challenges. So get ready. We have to govern AI in a way that we can show explainability, transparency, and a robust governance system. We help you define if you have AI solutions that is within the categories of regulation. If you are, for example, in public sector, transportation, education, recruitment, financial sector, you will have to comply to this regulation. You will have to report and screen your organizations for ethical AI risks. So why is it tricky to govern ethical AI? Well, AI solutions are often developed in organizational silos without an integrated legal, technical, and business-related perspective. So how do we deploy AI that is true to your organization's values and principles and comply to existing and this upcoming regulation on AI? Since 2018, we have tested, vetted our research-based ethical AI risk assessment methodology. This forms the foundation of the Ank AI platform. Our ethical AI governance platform goes beyond compliance. We all know that even though you are compliant, there are still specific business-related risks that you have to control for. Our ethical AI governance platform is a one-stop shop for accelerating responsible and ethical AI across your organization. You screen, you assess, you mitigate, you screen again, you get your risk reduction performance, and you report it to internal and external stakeholders. So why we are unique is because we align and visualize critical business decisions across business, legal, and tech teams. We have ethical AI governance on one coherent platform, independent on where you are in your AI maturity, and it covers all sectors. The output, well, you have a reporting of ethical AI performance that you can use for upcoming EU regulation, on ESG reporting, to internal yearly report and auditing, and also to your stakeholders. The value, you get an independent validation and proof of ethical AI. You control for your AI ethical risks. You conform to your organization's ethical principles and values. You comply to existing and upcoming regulation on AI. You get faster market acceptance, speed, efficiency, but most importantly, you get stakeholder and client trust. So in this context, I hope you are clearly awake to your responsibility to create innovations that humans can trust. Either you listen to Jonathan, he does a demo on how to use the platform, or you enter directly. Let's release the real power of AI. Good luck.